speed, distance and time part 4 trick 5. While the train is crossing a large stationary object that is a bridge, platform, etc. Then time taken by the train to cross the object is equal to length of the train plus length of the object divided by speed of the train, that is length of train plus length of object by speed of a train. Example. Solution. Time is equal to length of train 600 meter plus length of object 200 meter divided by 20 kilometer per hour. To convert kilometer per hour, we must multiply 5 by 18 to get meter by second. This is equal to 600 meter divided by 100 by 18 meter by second. This is equal to 600 meter into 18 by 100 second by meter. This is equal to 6 into 18 second. This is equal to 118 second is equal to 1 minute 48 second. Trick 6. While the train crossing a small moving object moving in the same direction then time taken by the train to cross the object is equal to length of a train divided by speed of a train minus speed of object. This is equal to length of a train divided by speed of train minus speed of object. This is the time. A train of length 200 meter moving at the speed of 60 km per hour overtook a bike of speed 30 km per hour moving in the same direction. Find the time taken by the train to cross the bike. Time. Yes. Speed of a train. This is equal to 60 km by hour. Speed of the train, this is equal to 60 into 5 by 18 meter by second. This is equal to 50 by 3 meter by second. Again, speed of object. This is SO. This is equal to 30 km per hour. 30 into 5 by 18 meter by second. This is equal to this is equal to 25 by 3 meter by second. Hence, time taken. This is equal to LT, length of a train, divided by speed of train minus speed of object. This is equal to 200 meter divided by 50 by 3 minus 25 by 3 meter by second. This is equal to 200 divided by 25 by 3 meter by second. This is equal to 200 into 3 by 25 second. This is equal to 8 into 3 second. This is equal to 24 second. While a train is crossing a large object or another train moving in opposite direction to each other, then time taken by the train to cross the other. Length of a train plus length of the object divided by speed of a train plus speed of object, that is LT plus LO divided by ST plus SO. Two trains with length 210 meter and 240 meter and with speed 90 km per hour and 72 km per hour respectively are moving in opposite direction. How long they will take to cross each other? Solution. Speed of a train ST is equal to 90 km per hour. This is equal to 90 into 5 by 18 meter by second. This is equal to 25 meter by second. And speed of the other object 72 km per hour. This is equal to 72 into 5 by 18 is equal to 4 into 5 meter by second, 20 meter by second. Then time is equal to LT plus LO divided by ST plus SO. This is equal to 210 meter plus 240 meter divided by 25 plus 20 meter by second. This is equal to 450 meter divided by 45 meter by second. This is equal to 10 second. Answer. Let us see other video to learn other tricks.